For centuries, we have understood life on Earth as intrinsically linked to the sun. Plants, the primary producers of our planet, harness sunlight through photosynthesis. They convert light energy into chemical energy, forming the base of the food chain. This process sustains life as we know it. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, life on Earth depends on this sun-driven system. However, the discovery of chemosynthesis challenged this fundamental understanding. It revealed a hidden world where life thrives in complete darkness, fueled not by sunlight but by the Earth's internal heat. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of life. It demonstrated that life can exist in the most extreme environments, independent of sunlight. This realization opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for life on Earth and beyond. The existence of chemosynthesis compels us to rethink our understanding of life's requirements. In the depths of our oceans, where sunlight fades into perpetual darkness, lies a world teeming with life. This mysterious realm, hidden from the human eye for centuries, holds secrets that challenge our very understanding of biology and the conditions necessary for life. This discovery, made in the late 20th century, shattered our existing paradigms of life's requirements. Before this, it was widely believed that sunlight was essential for life, as it powers the process of photosynthesis, which forms the basis of most ecosystems on Earth. It unveiled ecosystems thriving in the absence of sunlight, fueled by a process entirely different from photosynthesis. These ecosystems are centered around hydrothermal vents, where superheated water rich in minerals gushes from the ocean floor. These deep-sea ecosystems, often found around hydrothermal vents, are home to a diverse array of organisms. Giant tube worms, blind shrimp, and other unique species have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. Ghostly fish navigate this alien landscape, their adaptations allowing them to thrive where few other creatures can. The absence of light has led to fascinating evolutionary paths, resulting in creatures that seem almost otherworldly. These creatures exist in a delicate balance, dependent on a process that harnesses energy from chemical reactions rather than sunlight. This symbiotic relationship between the organisms and their environment is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. This process, known as chemosynthesis, utilizes energy released from chemical reactions to produce organic matter. Unlike photosynthesis, which relies on sunlight, chemosynthesis taps into the chemical energy stored in the Earth's crust. This organic matter forms the base of the food chain in these unique ecosystems, supporting a wealth of life. From microscopic bacteria to larger predators, each organism plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this deep-sea community. The discovery of chemosynthesis fundamentally changed our understanding of life's possibilities. It opened up new avenues of research and exploration, prompting scientists to reconsider where life might exist beyond our planet. It demonstrated that life can thrive in the harshest environments, relying on alternative energy sources and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. This revelation has profound implications for the search for extraterrestrial life, suggesting that life could exist in places previously deemed uninhabitable. The deep sea, with its extreme conditions and unique ecosystems, continues to inspire and challenge our perceptions of the natural world. Chemosynthesis, a process mirroring photosynthesis in its outcome but distinct in its energy source, underpins the existence of life in these dark corners of our planet. Unlike photosynthesis, which relies on sunlight, chemosynthesis harnesses energy released from chemical reactions. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight can't penetrate, hydrothermal vents spew forth chemicals like hydrogen sulfide. These chemicals, toxic to many forms of life, become the building blocks of life in chemosynthetic ecosystems. Specialized bacteria, the primary producers in these ecosystems, utilize the energy released from oxidizing these chemicals. This energy fuels the conversion of carbon dioxide into organic compounds, much like plants do with sunlight in photosynthesis. These organic compounds then form the base of the food chain, supporting a diverse community of organisms. From microscopic creatures to giant tube worms, life in these ecosystems thrives on the energy derived from chemical reactions, showcasing the remarkable adaptability of life. Section 4, the pioneers of the deep, unveiling chemosynthesis. The discovery of chemosynthesis was a landmark moment in our understanding of life. It all began in the 1970s with the exploration of hydrothermal vents in the Galapagos Rift. Scientists, expecting barren landscapes, were astonished to find these vents teeming with life. Giant tube worms, some exceeding 10 feet in length, dominated these ecosystems. These bizarre creatures, lacking mouths and digestive systems, posed a scientific puzzle. How could they thrive in this harsh environment, devoid of sunlight and seemingly lacking any food source? Further investigation revealed a symbiotic relationship between these tube worms and chemosynthetic bacteria. These bacteria, residing within the worm's tissues, utilize the chemicals spewing from the vents to produce energy. This energy, in turn, sustains the tube worms, highlighting the interconnectedness of life in these extreme environments. This groundbreaking discovery revolutionized our understanding of life's possibilities, demonstrating that life can thrive in the most unexpected places, fueled by alternative energy sources. Section 5. The chemical feast, how chemosynthesis works. In the dark, sunless depths of the ocean where sunlight cannot penetrate, life has found a way to thrive through a process known as chemosynthesis. The process of chemosynthesis, while seemingly complex, follows a relatively straightforward principle: harnessing energy from chemical reactions. Unlike photosynthesis, which relies on sunlight, chemosynthesis derives its energy from the oxidation of inorganic molecules. In the case of hydrothermal vent ecosystems, the key ingredient is hydrogen sulfide, a chemical abundant in these environments. These vents, often found along mid-ocean ridges, spew out mineral-rich water that is heated by the Earth's magma. Specialized bacteria, the architects of this process, oxidize hydrogen sulfide. These bacteria are equipped with unique enzymes that enable them to break down the hydrogen sulfide molecules. This oxidation reaction releases energy, which the bacteria then utilize to convert carbon dioxide into organic compounds. This conversion is crucial as it forms the basis of the food web in these dark, deep-sea environments. This process, analogous to photosynthesis but utilizing a different energy source, forms the foundation of the food chain in these ecosystems. While photosynthesis uses sunlight to produce energy, chemosynthesis relies on chemical energy, showcasing nature's adaptability. These organic compounds, rich in energy, become food for other organisms. Various deep-sea creatures, from tiny shrimp to large tube worms, depend on these bacteria for sustenance. Some organisms, like the giant tube worms, host these bacteria in a symbiotic relationship. The bacteria live inside the tube worms, providing them with nutrients in exchange for a safe habitat. Others graze on the bacterial mats that carpet the vent surfaces, showcasing the diverse ways life has adapted to thrive in this unique environment. These mats are teeming with microbial life, forming a rich tapestry of living organisms. The ability of these bacteria to utilize inorganic chemicals as an energy source highlights the remarkable flexibility of life and its capacity to adapt to even the most extreme conditions. This resilience is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth and its ability to flourish in environments once thought to be uninhabitable. Section 6. Hydrogen sulfide, fueling life in the deep. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, where sunlight never penetrates, lies a world teeming with life, all thanks to a surprising source of energy. Hydrogen sulfide, a chemical often associated with its rotten egg odor, plays a pivotal role in chemosynthetic ecosystems. This gas, which is toxic to most life forms, becomes a crucial element in the survival of deep-sea organisms. This toxic gas, spewing from hydrothermal vents, becomes the lifeblood of these unique communities. These vents, often found along mid-ocean ridges, release a cocktail of chemicals, with hydrogen sulfide being one of the most significant. Specialized bacteria possessing the unique ability to tolerate and utilize hydrogen sulfide form the base of the food chain. These bacteria are the unsung heroes of the deep, converting what would be a deadly poison into a source of energy. They oxidize this chemical, releasing energy in the process. This process, known as chemosynthesis, is akin to photosynthesis but without the need for sunlight. This energy fuels the conversion of carbon dioxide into organic compounds, providing sustenance for the entire ecosystem. The organic compounds produced by these bacteria become the building blocks for other forms of life in these dark depths. The abundance of hydrogen sulfide in these environments supports a thriving community of organisms. From tiny microorganisms to larger creatures, all depend on this chemical in one way or another. Giant tube worms, hosting chemosynthetic bacteria within their bodies, rely on this chemical for their survival. These worms, which can grow several feet long, have no mouth or digestive system. Instead, they depend entirely on their symbiotic bacteria. Other creatures like clams and mussels filter feed on the bacteria, demonstrating the interconnectedness of life in these ecosystems. These filter feeders play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this delicate environment. The utilization of hydrogen sulfide, a toxic substance in many contexts, highlights the remarkable adaptability of life and its ability to thrive in environments seemingly inhospitable to most other life forms. This adaptability showcases the resilience and ingenuity of life, finding ways to survive and flourish even in the most extreme conditions.